Efforts to introduce private players into South Africa's rail network are accelerating. The Freight Logistics Map aims to restore the network with third-party entities expected to operate by early next year. Traction operating in several African countries is ready for approval in South Africa.
Historically, we've never operated on the core network in South Africa. We're expecting the network statement, which is going to set out the terms and conditions for third-party access, private access, onto the national network to be finalised in September. That means that after September, we're going to be able to make applications to run private trains in South Africa as well.
Africa's most industrialised economy has the continent's most extensive rail network, but poor maintenance and financial mismanagement by Transnet have caused it to deteriorate.
We're now sitting with a situation where our economy is suffering harm because of problems with port operations and with the rail operations. We've seen anecdotally a flood of private road hauliers coming into business, and a lot of the subsidies the government provides for logistics is now going into the roads when it really should be going into the rail network.
The turnaround plan aims to modernize systems, improve locomotive availability and enhance network security, addressing the decline in infrastructure.
There are extremely interesting technologies that can be rolled out to protect a rail system against vandalism and theft. And those technologies are very well tried and tested. But the other thing that you have to remember, the primary problem that we have in the South African rail system is not vandalism and theft. It's the drop in maintenance expenditure that we've seen in the last decade.
If we don't get it right, and we've already seen what's happening in our neighbours are going to start eating our lunch, as it were. They're already taking work away from the South African ports. You know, they're challenging our dominance as the gateway into sub-Saharan Africa.
South Africa's economy relies heavily on a functional rail system. The proposal rail reforms aims to create a competitive model, reduce financial pressure on Transnet and revitalise the economy. Julie Shara, CGTN, Cape Town.